All right, guys.
Guys, great win today. Yes. To begin with, excellent bowling effort. Bari, first over wicket. You know, that was a great start. And then we kept doing good on the bowling. Umair, great bowling.
Excellent.
Rian, no questions about it. The way we bowled. We have some areas for correction. We all know that. The extras, we have given not many, but today it's a matter of celebration the way we won. So it was a close game. We made it close. But obviously, without any questions, the way Umair played today, without a question, he is the man of the match. For staying there throughout the innings and staying there for such long time when wickets were falling and shown great maturity.
Excellent.
Many more to come. Because of you, we were in the game.
Yeah.
And that was the only wicket they wanted. So great, chanceless inning.
Excellent batting and power, aggression and composure.
Yes.
You timed it beautifully, faced it beautifully.
And Madhu,
Nothing more than less.
Madhu equally good. The way he sixes and the point where he went, full pressure. And it is the only last recognized batsman. Like last recognized batsman, that's all we had.
Excellent part.
One more wicket there, we would have gone.
Yep.
You scored, not only scored, but at a great strike rate.
Good thing just happened because of my captain. I always say he initiates the training program. He will tell you what you do mistake. Correct it, do it again.
It was a
So
very
I
close.
tried my best.
At one point of time, we thought it's kind of difficult because the way we were falling. But Umair and Madhu, man.
And he's telling me when
Our
I'm
captain
playing
is our true
2
mentor.
overs, don't give it.
Also,
1 over, don't give it.
he was playing all the shots very perfectly.
Yeah.
They were trying to take my wicket and expecting him to take a single, but he's
Striking the ball. Yeah.
Yes, chanceless.
Yeah.
Not
It
a
was a
single
surprise.
chance by both.
they were surprised to
Yep.
arrange their fielders.
Yep. True. Great. Good. Very proud of it. And these are the wins which makes us a team what we are. You know, see, this is coming from again the core member. You know, you've been playing with us. You are learning every match after match, and you delivered on the day when it mattered the most. Without this, it would see. Forget about the playoffs. But if we don't win this kind of a match, then we don't deserve to be in the playoffs.
Yeah.
Right. So
Thanks.
excellent.
Very good.
Lovely, proud of you guys. आज खाना खाएंगे आप लोग. So one medal for a great catch by Gopi.
Let me do the honors. Let me do the honors.
Because that catch was full on dive.
Amazing catch.
I hope it has been captured in the camera recording.
100%.
But this was
100%.
nothing short of an international level catch. Thanks to Gopi, I got my wicket off a very bad ball, but an excellent catch. So he nullified it. Wonderful. Great athleticism, and not to mention this last over, 1 over where he took the wicket. Okay, he was a surprise bowler.
So
Excellent.
we will continue that.
Yes.
Yes. Once in a while, like after 15th over, we'll change, or in between the overs, we'll change, and we'll bring you in.
Yeah, sure.
Because we need somebody to be there who's having accuracy.
Momentum.
Honestly, they did not expect you to bowl the way how you bowled, and that surprised them.
True. Guys, very proud of you.
Excellent
Each and
game,
everyone.
excellent.
You know, Teja.
You know,
you will
I mean,
develop
I've been
over a period of
been
time.
playing for few other teams also, but this is the team I got very good inspiration from everyone. The team
Inspiration and
spirit,
perspiration.
the team spirit we have here is excellent.
This is our team.
Yeah.
We have to build this team, and we have to stay together.
Yes, sir.
And we have to, if there is a player who is falling short, we have to build it, back him, and results will come.
That's the best thing this team has. Everyone backs every player.
To a point where somebody says, "Marry me."
The kind of energy for each and every run, man. Good game.
तो उधर है ना मधु बैट छोड़ के आएगा और जो क्या करेगा?
Man, that was a good game. So everybody coming?
Excellent
We'll go
display
for
of
a
the
nearby store.
solid six.
నేపథ్యంలో మస్తు ఉన్నాయి.
బిర్యానీ ఎవరైతే క్విక్ గా ఇస్తాడో
ఎవరి దగ్గర లేదు టైం అంది
అవసరం పడితే
ఎవరికి
మన ఫోన్ లో ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చి పోయి రెడీ పెడతాం.
अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट कौन है आप बोलो.
डेक्कन है, फिर बावर्ची
बावर्ची चलेगा.
हैदराबाद
నేను పనిచేసేది అవి శాండ్విచ్లు వింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి.
बिरयानी के लिए वो सब भी है.